Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Parrot Coin Saving Bank. One of the easiest ways we learn how to save money is with a coin bank or some other container to collect our coins or notes. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank encourages good savings habits. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank comes in different colors such as red, blue, and green. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. I will be unboxing the green Parrot Coin Saving Bank. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank is only suitable for coin use. It fits many types of standard coins, such as pennies. You will see in this video how this cute green parrot eats your coins and saves them in his savings box. What a fun way to save money. This parrot is very pretty. Give this hungry parrot some coins to eat, and be careful not to place many coins at once in his bowl. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank comes with a tail. The tail consists of 3 colors, which are blue, red, and green. I will explain in a minute how to install the tail. On the sides of this Parrot Coin Saving Bank, you can find the coins outlet, which I will open in just a second, and it has a large capacity that allows you to deposit many pieces of coins, as you can see. So start saving up, or collecting coins, in this Parrot Coin Saving Bank. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank is made of durable plastic material, ABS material. However, some parts of the parrot are fragile. Guys, let's install this parrot's tail. As I mentioned earlier, this parrot has a colorful tail. This parrot tail consists of 3 colors, blue, red, and green. This parrot looks beautiful. You can find the on or off button and the battery holder at the bottom of this coin bank. This coin bank is battery powered. This coin bank uses 2 AA batteries. When you install the 2 AA batteries, ensure that the batteries positive and negative are directed at the bottom shell mark, and ensure proper installation. Now, let's test the Parrot Coin Saving Bank. It is the time to feed this cute parrot some coins. Are you ready? Give the hungry parrot some coins. Watch as the parrot grabs your coins and dips its head into the coin slot, while happily moving its tail and body as it stores your coins. When you give this hungry parrot some coins to eat, be careful not to place many coins at once in his bowl. This Parrot Coin Saving Bank has a cute and friendly design. I find this Parrot Coin Saving Bank a fun and practical gift, for example, for birthdays, to help learn to save money, and to see savings grow over time. It is fun to use more than one coin bank to save money. You may label each coin bank with your planned purchase, and start saving money. What do you think? Let's now test and compare the Parrot Coin Saving Bank with the No-Face Coin Bank. I would love to hear your opinion on which coin bank you like more. So, please leave your comment in the comments section. Please like, comment, and subscribe.